Hello students, today in this lecture we are going to see some of the definitions or some of the systems of hole basis system and shaft basis system. Then next nomenclature of shafts and holes, okay, according to this hole basis and shaft basis system, and some examples on it, that is to find type of fit or the tolerance, okay, which is given on that with the help of that nomenclature. Okay, so first we will see hole basis system and shaft basis system. So what is hole basis system? In hole basis system the hole size is kept constant. Okay, generally what we can do, if we are having number of shafts, okay, and then number of components having holes, okay, then we can either keep these shafts fixed or this hole fixed. Okay, then according to fit we will work on that other component and try to get a fit by changing its dimensions of other component. Okay, okay, so in hole base system what is done in hole base system, the hole size is kept constant. Okay, so suppose this is center line and this is the shaft. Sorry, I want to draw here hole, so this is the hole. Okay, I am going to show the tolerance on both the sides. Okay, now see, this is the hole H having some tolerance. Now the hole size is kept constant and required type of fit, that is interference fit, transition fit or clearance fit, is obtained by varying the dimensions of shaft. Okay, suppose you want clearance fit, so shaft will be like this, having clearance on having tolerance on this side. Okay, just a minute, having tolerance on this side. Okay, so see, here you will get clearance, so you will get clearance fit. Other is interference fit. For the interference fit the shaft will be like this. Okay, it is having lower limit which is greater than the upper limit of hole. See, I will show with yellow color. This is the lower limit of the shaft which is higher than the higher limit of hole, so there will be interference. Okay, so there will be interference fit. And transition, if these limits are in between the limits of hole, then there will be transition fit. Okay, now next, in hole based system, this is obtained by keeping hole size constant. Different types of fits are obtained by varying the shaft sizes. Okay, the next second thing is lower deviation is always 0. Okay, so what is lower deviation? So this is the center line and then next this is this is center line, then hole will be shown like this. Okay, so see this lower deviation means lower limit of hole minus nominal size or basic size. Okay, it will be equals to 0. See, lower limit of hole matches with the, this is the nominal size or basic size, matches with the basic size, hence it will be 0. And upper limit will vary, okay, according to the tolerance. Okay, tolerance, that is IT0 or IT1 or IT2, something like that. Okay, you will see it later. So this is the tolerance zone, and according to IT0 means it will have this much of tolerance. IT1, IT2, IT3, IT4 up to IT16, I think. These are tolerances. As IT number goes on increasing, tolerance on that hole increases. Important thing is lower deviation for hole based system is equals to 0. Okay, please keep it in mind. The next type of fit is next type is shaft basis system. What is shaft based system? It is exactly opposite to hole based system. Shaft size is kept constant. Okay, shaft size is kept constant, and type of fit is obtained by varying the hole size. Okay, then next, upper deviation of upper deviation of shaft is always 0. Upper deviation of shaft is always 0 means, we will draw first basic size. So this is the basic size, and this is the upper limit of shaft. Okay, this is upper limit of shaft, and this is shaft like this. Okay, so this upper limit of shaft minus this basic size will equals to 0. Hence, in shaft basis system, upper deviation is equals to 0. And if we take IT, then according to that IT tolerance, it will having different, means this will be the tolerance, it will vary according to the IT number, okay, or tolerance grade. Okay, this is about hole based system and shaft based system. Generally, shaft based system is used, hole based system is used, in which hole size will kept constant. Now see this, in this hole based system, so this is the hole, okay, this is the hole, and shaft size is varied. So with the shaft this one and this shaft 2, okay, we are getting clearance fit. This shaft 1 and shaft 2 we are getting clearance fit. With this shaft 3 we are getting transition fit, and with the shaft 4, see, shaft 4, these both lower dimension and upper limit both are greater than the upper limit of hole, hence you will get interference fit. Okay, so this is the hole based system, and this is the shaft based system. Okay, shaft size is kept constant, and different types of fits, that is clearance fit, transition fit, and interference fit, are obtained by varying the sizes of hole. Okay, the next, Indian system of limit fits and tolerances. Okay, in Indian system, holes are represented by, now here is the nomenclature. Okay, here is the nomenclature of maximum hole based system or shaft based system. So in the hole based system, holes are represented by capital letters, that you can see this is A, then it is B, C, D, dot dot dot, dot Z A, Z B, Z C. Okay, so total 28. So total nowadays 28 types of holes are there. Okay, for a single basic size, 28 type of holes are there. Okay, see, these holes are viewed like this. So this is A type, B, C, D, dot dot dot, dot up to here. This is the ZC. Okay, so hole size means this lower deviation is reducing, step by step reducing, okay, to 0, and again it is deviating from 0 to others, ZA, ZB, and ZC. Okay, so see, capital letters are showing the type of holes A, B, C, D up to ZA, ZB, ZC. Okay, some I or J types of means these letters are not taken here. Okay, next is shaft. How shafts are means their how shafts are represented. The shafts are represented by small letters, that is A, B, C, dot dot dot, Z A, Z B, Z C. Okay, so there are 28 types of holes and 28 types of shafts. Okay, then next, so therefore 28, so there are 28 fundamental deviations for holes and shafts. Okay, 28 fundamental deviations means, see, if you are having basic size, then above and below size, you see, if it is the basic size, for holes we are having lower limit as a lower deviation, it is 0, that is it is fundamental deviation. So see, These are the types of holes. So here you will get A type, B, C, D, E up to ZC. So up to ZC there are 20 types of holes. Okay, having this one is a we can say first deviation, second, third, fourth, fifth, up to there are 25 deviations of holes. So see, fundamental deviations are 25 for holes and shafts, and for each deviation there are 18 grades of tolerances. Okay, for each deviation there are 18 grades of tolerances, means IT01, IT0, then next IT1, IT2, IT3, IT01 and IT1 are different. Up to IT16 there are 18 grades of tolerances. Okay, means for each hole, suppose this hole type A is used, then for hole A type there are 18 grades of tolerances, means we can have 18 types of holes there, means IT A, IT01, A, IT0, then A, IT1 up to IT16. Okay, up to IT16 there are 18 types of holes for A type. Similarly for B, C, D and up to ZC. So okay, for A there are 18 types of tolerance grades, and for B 18 types of tolerance grade, and so on up to ZC. So see here, therefore there are total numbers of holes are 28 now and 18 tolerances. So there are 504. So there are total 504 types of holes are present. Okay, for each type of hole. Similarly for shafts there are 405 types of shafts present for each type of shaft. Okay, for A, B, C, D, etc. Therefore for given dimension in total, here it is 504. 504 varieties of holes and 504 varieties of shafts can be produced. Okay, from this figure you can easily get it. So see, first of all, this is the basic size. Okay, these two red lines. Okay, this much of is for holes and this much of is for shafts. Okay, this is the combined figure for holes and shaft. Okay, so you see the curve like this, but above this it is for holes and below this it is for shafts. Okay, as capital letters are used here and small letters are used here. Okay, capital letters for holes and small letters for shafts. Now see, for holes this is the zero line, or this is the basic size. For the basic size, this is A type of hole, this is B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay, J, S, then J, K, M, N, P, R up to Z, C. Okay, so these are the types of holes for single basic size. Okay, now what is fundamental deviation? What is lower for hole? Deviation is lower limit, that is lower limit of hole minus basic size. This will be the deviation. For A type this is the fundamental deviation. For B type this much distance, C, D, E. For H, fundamental deviation is equals to 0, hence this H is used as, you can say that this type of hole H, this type of hole is H is used as for hole based system. In hole based system, what we see, the fundamental deviation 0. For capital H hole, the fundamental deviation is 0, that is this type of holes are used to use for hole based system. Now see, lower deviation is 0, but it can have upper limit of hole. Okay, it can be varied with respect to that IT grades. IT01 will be here, IT01, IT1, IT2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up to IT17. If IT16 is used, so this much will be the maximum limit of hole if IT16 is used. Okay. Similarly for shafts, shaft is having upper limit at A, see upper limit at A, upper limit at B, upper limit at C, upper. So this upper deviation is used for the shafts. Then next, see for the H type of shaft, upper deviation is 0. There is a upper limit and basic size are the same, hence upper deviation is 0. Therefore small h type of shafts are used for shaft based system. Okay, these are used for shaft based system. Now as we are using hole based system, for the hole based system, see capital H in above figure, I will show it by a red color. Okay, and see for the shaft based system, you can clear your fundamentals. For the shaft base hole based system, H will be the hole, capital H will be the hole, and other these 28 types of shafts are used to have different types of fits for this hole based system, capital H type of hole. So see, up to A to H, okay, for this type of hole up to A to H, see if we use A to H types of shafts, then you will get clearance fit. Okay, see H is on the basic size, and see here A is far below the basic size, B is below the basic size, up to you can say G or H, these are up to the basic size or below the basic size, hence it will form clearance fit. Then from JS to P you will find transition fit for this hole, okay, hole based system, and from R onwards to ZC you will having interference fit. As see from R to ZC, these limits are greater than basic size. Okay, therefore you will having interference fit for hole based system. Okay, next that is what we have seen for hole based system, that is capital H hole is used, okay, having lower deviation equals to 0, that is lower limit of hole which is equals to the basic size, and it will, this is irregular line because it is having different tolerances. Okay, this is equal to 0, this is for hole, and if shaft A to G are used, then you will have clearance fit. Then up to A to G you are having shafts like this. Okay, means their dimensions are going to increase like this. Then from S to C transition fit, so from S to C it will be like this, so it will having transition fit, it is well below this. And for P to ZC having interference fit, from P to ZC it will vary like this from this line, okay, and hole will be maximum hole will be like this. So from this you will having interference fit. Now first example, nomenclature. So see here you have given that describe, that is 50H7 and D8. Okay, for 50H7 D8 what you will find? So first one 50, this is the first term, the second H7 is second term, and D8 it is third term. Okay, so first term always represents basic size. What is the basic size is given, that basic size on which dimensions are found out for shaft and hole. So first term gives the basic size. Second is H7. Now see here capital letters are holes for you are used. Now here H is used, then capital H is used, hence it is hole based system. If here capital A, capital B, capital C other than H are used, then it will not be a hole based system, it will be a, now here small h will be used, so it will be a shaft based system. Now see Here capital H is used instead of capital A, B, C, etc. Capital H is used, hence it is hole based system. Okay. Then next 7. What is 7? See, fundamental deviation for hole, and 7 means IT7. IT7 tolerance grade is used. Okay, means that hole having tolerances. Okay, like this is the basic size, having this lower limit which is matches the basic size, and this is like this. So this is the tolerance on hole, and this tolerance on hole is, it is IT7. Tolerance on hole is IT7. What is IT7 we will see later. Similarly, go for next term, third term. Third term is small d is used, hence small d type of shaft is used. Small d type of shaft is used, and for mating this H type of hole, and 8 is the IT8. IT is the tolerance grade used for that mating part of shaft. Okay. Now from the figure, keep it in mind H7 and D8. Now see here, where is H? I will show it by blue pen. Okay, so here it is H. Okay, and where is D? Here it is D. H and D. So H is having, okay, this basic size and this minimum dimensions. Suppose for, due to the IT7, it is having tolerance like this. So this is type of hole which is coming above the basic size. And now for D, see this. For D, it is coming below this basic size, having this much of permanent difference, that is clearance, and due to the IT7 it will having lower limit like this. So it will always make a clearance fit. Here I have written from A to H there is clearance fit always. So D is coming between A to H, hence it is having clearance fit. Therefore from figure there will be a clearance fit between the hole capital H and shaft small d. Okay, this is the first example. Also we can see second example, 35H8 F7. Okay, 35 is basic size, so 35 is the basic size. What is H? So is the type of hole is used is H, having lower deviation equals to 0, hence it is having fundamental deviation equals to 0. Therefore it is hole based system. Capital H is used in whole base system. 8 is the tolerance grade. Okay, this is the 8, it is tolerance grade, is the IT8 is used. Then next F7 means F is type of shaft, small f is used, hence type of shaft is used is F7 is the tolerance grade, is the IT7. Now you can see with respect to H and F, you can see here H and F, EF. So see, this is the, I will show it with red pen. So this is the F shaft and this is the H hole again. Okay, so there will be always clearance fit. See, there will be a clearance fit, and type of system is a hole based system. Okay. Okay, thank you. In next small lecture we will see what are the tolerance grade methods. Okay, that is what we have seen IT1 to IT16 we will see in next lecture. Thank you.